Today at RBW, we are taking a look at the Heritage Manual Squeeze Chute. This is our top-of-the-line manual chute. It is super quiet with friction latches, as well as nylon bushings. You're going to like it. First, we have the head gate with a lever that can be here at the front or move towards the back of the chute. It's really easy both to open and close. You'll also notice really how quiet it is. And you can also operate it back here at the back of the chute. On the head gate is a manual head holder. The trend with this chute is really quiet and really easy. Right here is the lever to squeeze the main body of the chute. You'll also notice that the palpation or vet gates squeeze with the sides of the chute. Getting into all of the individual doors and gates on the chute, you'll see it has all the same access points and doors on both the left side and the right side of the chute. So that includes your neck injection door, two large branding doors, this upper door opens up, as well as a foot or nursing door. The palpation gates are on both sides of the chute. And the tailgate is just a simple, quiet slide.